In this video, we're going to be having a look at how you can set up Service Manager to allow you to resolve requests that are linked to each other. So we're currently looking at a change request for a VPN gateway configuration, and linked to it are a couple of incidents. And we can click on one of these incidents to go off and view the details. And this incident has its own linked request section where we can see that change request that it's linked to. And we can also see that there's a service level target for resolution that's currently running. Now what we'd like to do is, when this change has been implemented and we're going to resolve this change, we want to be able to enable a feature that will allow us to not only resolve this change, but resolve those linked requests as well. So to do this, we're going to move over to the Hornbill administration, and under the Service Manager application settings, we're going to search for linked. And here we have that setting to be able to enable this feature. There's also a number of other settings here to enable some of the communications and notifications to go along with this option. Going back to our change request, when we now select the resolve option, there's an additional drop-down menu on the resolve button. We can select this to be able to resolve this change and its link requests. It will show us the list of the different linked requests from which we can select. And we can now click on Finish to process those requests. And once that's completed, a timeline entry to capture that those incidents have been resolved is added. If we move back over to that incident, we can also see from here that the service level target for that resolution has been completed. Now, as an alternative to manually resolving these linked requests, there's also the ability to be able to set this up within your business process workflows. So we've gone back over to the Hornbill administration and we're looking at a change process. And we're just going to select the implementation stage. And here is at that point where we want to resolve that particular change request. And I'm going to add in a new automated task. And then we'll click on the cog to be able to configure the settings. We'll select Entity, Requests, and from the type we can select the linked requests. And here we have an option to be able to resolve link requests. So within this business process, we can start by selecting which types of requests we want to be able to resolve and close. We can select the status, whether it's going to resolve those linked requests or if it's going to close those linked requests. We can add timeline updates. We can stop those service level timers. And we also have a number of options for notifying the owner of those linked requests and the customers of those linked requests.